All right, Lori, I'm going to do a real fast video. We got a lot of questions here, so I'm going to try and blast through them as quick as I can. Um, okay, skill testing question or contact us on the contact us page. That is a spam filter. So that way auto filters or auto spam bots cannot fill in the form and send it without actually answering the question. Can we add an image to the info box, and where in the admin area do we do this? Okay, let me start from the top here. Nevo slider images. When you log into your account, they're actually already included in the theme or the template. But if you log into your account and you go to just go to the download panel for now, then click on images, you can download a copy of all of your images from here. And you can download them to your local computer, then you could upload them to the media library if you want to use them to the media library. We're not able to load images into a media library in WordPress. Nobody is. WordPress doesn't allow that when installing themes. So we provide this alternate method where you can just download the pictures if you need to use them for another area of your site. Now there's a couple things I may need to see. For example, where in the admin area do you change the images above the contact us FAQs and product catalog? I would have to see your site to see how you've got it set up. But I believe you're probably talking about the featured image. In your appearance, go to your widgets. Maybe this will help you out. Right? In your top widget area, you'll have a featured page, and here is where you change the image. You can use the page's featured image, or you can select one of the themed images included in the template. If you use a page's featured image, you have to actually go to your page. For example, the About page. And you would have to go down and assign or set a featured image. Click that, select an image, set featured image. Now that image is what would show up for that particular featured image box, which I believe is what you're talking about. And that is the exact same place that you would change the latest posts image. It's also the featured image for your post. So in your post, you would assign a featured image. Post, all posts, I don't even know if I have any here. Oh, I do too. Example post. And down here, you would set a featured image, and that's the image that would be used, or what you're talking about there for the latest post box. All right. Your other question was, when you go to the photo gallery tab, the entire main sidebar disappears. You have different layouts, and you can change pages. So as you're working on a page, let's go to your pages. You have 3 different layout types you can choose, each with their own set of columns. So here's the photo gallery. It uses, down here under layout, it uses a minimize layout, which means there's no image at the top of the page. And it also uses, you can select a 1 column, 2 column, left, or 2 column right, or a 3 column. For the photo gallery, I actually suggest you use the 1 column if you can. Gives you a little more room to work with. But if you wanted to change it over to the 2 column right, you can select the 2 column right and then go to your sidebars and make sure you have the right sidebar selected in the right column. So you can change the layout of your page just with these 3 tabs here. Okay, so to disable your post, first of all, under your theme settings and under display, change it to select a page so you don't have a blog page. That's number 1. Number 2, in your actual pages, when you're editing a page, under the screen options, make sure you have, just enable everything here. Okay, and then scroll on down and make sure, maybe I enabled too much here for you, but you're looking for the discussion. Make sure you don't have the allow comments and allow trackbacks and pingbacks. So maybe I went a little overboard. You probably don't need the custom fields. That's way too much information. Just make sure these 2 boxes are not checked. Adding an image to the info box. That is the same thing as widgets, and you would have under the top widget area, you'd have 3 LM featured pages, and this is where you would change the image right here. Right, you can select an image or use that featured image for the page. Right, you can delete the LinkedIn, the Facebook, and the Twitter. Same thing, from go to your strength, go to your theme settings, right, and we're looking for social networks. Delete these 3 boxes here and hit save. That will remove the 3 icons.